Dear students, here we will discuss about the diesel cycle. Here the diesel cycle consists of four processes. First is the reversible adiabatic compression. Second is heat addition at constant pressure. Third is reversible adiabatic expansion process. And fourth is heat rejection at constant volume process. If we draw the PV diagram, look, this is a pressure volume diagram. P atmospheric pressure. What will happen if the suction occurs? The pressure inside the cylinder is reduced or below the atmospheric pressure, the resulting of which the air is introduced in the cylinder. This is 0 to 1, that is known as the suction process. And then it gets reversibly adiabatic process. Here, this is the compression process, reversible adiabatic compression process. This is 1 to 2. The 2 to 3 is constant pressure process at which the fuel is applied. As the first droplets is entered into the combustion chamber, because of higher temperature and pressure, it will fire out. And up to the point 3, the fuel is continuously supplied and heat is continuously liberated by the fuel. And 3 to 4 is, this is the expansion process. At the point 4, the exhaust valve opens and the flue gases formed in this cycle is exhausted. In this process, in this cycle, there are certain rules are followed that makes a closed loop. That is, first and second, 1 and 2 is called reversible adiabatic compression process, and 2 to 3 is heat addition at constant pressure process, and 3 to 4 is the expansion process, reversibly adiabatic expansion process, and 4 to 1 is heat rejection at constant volume process. We can write here, this is the 1 to 2, this is 2 to 3, this is 3 to 4, and this one is 4 to 1 process. The rule followed during this process is 1 to 2, that will equal to reversible adiabatic process, reversible processes. This one is heat addition at constant pressure process, and this one is constant volume process. As we have seen, all the process makes a complete loop. From the first of thermodynamics, work produced by the system is directly proportional to the heat supplied. Now, what is the amount of heat that is transferred to the system or transferred in the loop is heat added, that will equal to CV Cp T3 minus T2, heat rejected, that will equal to Cv T4 minus T1. As we are seeing, these all the process makes a complete loop. These all the process makes a complete loop. Hence, the work produced by the system is proportional to the heat transferred. Hence, work produced by the system is directly proportional to the heat supplied. Hence, del cyclic integration of dW, that will equal to cyclic integration of dq. That will equal to work done by this closed processes is equal to the total heat transferred during this whole cycle. That will equal to W is equal to Q A minus Q R. That will equal to Q A, that means heat added at constant pressure process, Cp T3 minus T2 minus QR Cv T4 minus T1. Or the efficiency of diesel cycle, that will equal to work done during this whole process to the heat supplied to this cycle, that will equal to QA, or that will equal to Cp T3 minus T2 minus Cv T4 minus T1, that will equal to QA Cp T3 minus T2. That will equal to 1 minus Cv T4 minus T1 oblique Cp T3 minus T2. That will equal to 1 minus, we divide by the Cp, or we get T4 minus T1 oblique Cp oblique Cv, that will equal to gamma T3 minus T2. As we are seeing here, the closed cycle follows a certain rules at each points. Follows certain rules at each point. Hence, we know from the process 1 and 2, 1 to 2, the rule follows is T1 oblique T2, that will equal to R power gamma minus 1 or compression ratio power gamma minus 1, sorry, T2 oblique T1, T2 oblique T1 is equal to R power gamma minus 1, that will equal to T2 in terms of T1, R power gamma minus 1 into T1. Equation is 1. Similarly, process 2 to 3, T3 oblique T2, that will equal to pressure ratio, or that will equal to V3 oblique V2, that is called pressure ratio. T3 is equal to V3 oblique V2 into T2, or V3 oblique V2 into T2. The value of T2 is replaced from equation 1, that is R power gamma minus 1 into T1. This equation is 2. From the reversible adiabatic process T3 to T4, process 3 to 4, T4 oblique T3, that will equal to V3 oblique V4 power gamma minus 1. T4 is equal to V3 oblique V4 power gamma minus 1. and the value of T3 from equation number 2 V3 oblique V2 into R power gamma minus 1 into T1. Okay. Now resolving these values, what we will get? T4 that will equal to V3 oblique V4 power gamma minus 1 into V3 oblique V2 into R. The value of R is compression ratio. It is the compression ratio that will equal to V1 oblique V2 power gamma minus 1 into T1. As we know, the V1 is equal to V4 from the diagram. V1 is equal to V4. So we can cancel the value of V4 and we will get the value of T4. This is V3 power gamma minus 1. This is V3 and it becomes V3 power gamma. Okay. Now this is the value of V2 power gamma minus 1 into V2. That is V2 power gamma and T1. That will equal to V3 oblique V2 power gamma into T1, or that will equal to V3 oblique V2, that will equal to pressure ratio power gamma into T1. Okay. Now we substitute these all the values in the equation of efficiency. What will we get? The equation of efficiency, that is efficiency diesel cycle is equal to 1 minus T4 minus T1 oblique gamma T3 minus T2, that will equal to 1 minus the value of T4 as we have calculated, that will equal to Rp power gamma into T1 minus T1 gamma, the ratio of specific heat, into the value of T3. The value of T3, that is equal to Rp pressure ratio into R power gamma minus 1 into T1 minus the value of T2, that is equal to R power gamma minus 1 into T1. This is the value of R3. This is the value of, this is the value of T3. This is the value of V3 by V2 power gamma R power gamma minus 1 into T1, where V3 oblique V2, it is the pressure ratio, that is the pressure ratio. Solving 1 minus, we take the common T1, Rp power gamma minus 1 oblique pressure ratio oblique gamma. T1 is common from this equation. T1 Rp minus 1 and R power gamma minus is also taken as common. That will equal to 1 minus T1 is cancelled, 1 oblique gamma into R power gamma minus 1 into Rp power gamma minus 1 oblique Rp minus 1. Here the value of Rp. This is the derivation of efficiency of the diesel cycle.